पाकिस्तान की बहुत लीडिंग फाउंडेशन है, उन्होंने अभी एक इमेजिन सेंटर बनाया है।
Make connections, make friendships, and don't think about money. It's not like you have to give me bills or anything like that. I want you to understand the value of money.
And your father had that independent mindset, and you fortunately were in a culture
Yeah.
that did not do it. जो क्लास के बच्चे होते थे, वो जब क्लास खत्म हुई भाग गए।
Yeah.
अरे यार क्या हो गया, बैठो गपशप करो,
Job.
खाना खाओ। नहीं, हमने जॉबों पे जाना है।
हाँ।
वो यार ये क्या चक्कर है, हमें तो पैसे पीछे से आ रहे हैं, मतलब खेतादी कमाइयां सेट है, मतलब पाकिस्तान की बहुत लीडिंग फाउंडेशन है, उन्होंने अभी एक इमेजिन सेंटर बनाया है कराची में, बहुत बड़ा। नाउ उधर इनका हर साल होता है चिल्ड्रंस एंटरप्रेन्योर सेटअप होता है, जहाँ पे बच्चे अपने प्रोडक्ट्स
I know
बेचते
what you're talking
हैं। सो
about.
माय डॉटर and her friends actually go every year.
So tell you, my daughter had a
Job
peach.
kari?
No, she had a peach lemonade stall at my own festival last
That's
year.
cute.
That's
Okay,
great.
this year in Ronak Bazaar. I'm not dissing the fact. I'm just saying the system has to be appreciative of children
Yeah.
working
It will
in
start
any
when you
dynamics.
start appreciating
So
them.
I did
Yes,
start
there
with
you
my
go.
daughter.
I appreciated my
And
children.
all of you
But
as
then-
well watching over here should also appreciate the children who are going out to work, because this is something that they are helping their
You know,
own
it's the
families in a
parents
time
also.
in an economic crisis.
Honestly,
It's
when
the
I
parents
started
also.
working, it was just for my dad was like, you're a girl. You need to go and be more independent. I
Yeah,
want you to go
100%.
make connections, make friendships, and don't think about money. It's not like you have to give me bills or anything like that. I want you to understand the value of money.
There you go. There you
That
go.
is what
That's-
it is.
Tarbiyat.
Yeah.
अच्छी तरबियत. And your father had that independent mindset, and you fortunately were in a culture
Yeah.
that did not do it.
पाकिस्तान
जैसे जो
में मैं
महक
काम
का
नहीं कर
concept.
सकती. I wouldn't be able to do the work
That's
that
what
I
I'm
did.
trying to explain.
In
कि
Canada
even if I
here.
want my daughter to go and work in a mall
not
and
safe.
actually do it, people will not be appreciative of it, and they will say probably you had a crisis in, because see, the kids now that are growing, they're in very big schools. Their parents have given them everything. Back in our days, we just had, I talk about myself, I don't know about all of you. I had 4 toys. I had no play dates. I had no birthday parties because that was a norm. घर पे birthday होगी, बहुत बड़ी celebration नहीं होती थी. कोई summer vacations में कोई इतने major summer camps नहीं होते थे. The need to go out and all of that. ठीक है? So we grew up that way. Nowadays, the kids are being grown up with everything on their plate.
Yeah.
They have to go in the best cars in the school. They have to get the best bags
To
and
go to
lunch boxes in
Sephora,
the schools.
makeup.
You know the drill, right?
Oh,
So
wow.
all
Yeah.
of this
Don't I
is
know
there, right? So अब ये सारी चीजें होंगी, तो अगर वो बच्चा जाके एक्सपीरियंस के लिए भी मॉल में खड़ा होगा ना, शायद इंटर्नशिप में कोई मसला नहीं होगा, लेकिन अगर वो मॉल में खड़ा होगा तो उसको क्लास से वो कर देंगे, ओ अच्छा आपकी क्लास नीचे हो गई.